No, listen, but what's airtime without entertainment? So I mean, as I was saying, just imagine the first two.
My Nigerian people don't bring no bunga BishopNews story. My name Nandehi. And make a sharply yarn on something we say it just happened. The Adamawa State Calabar Police Command arrest 3 young men then say because they joined body to go force snack because of one 15-year-old small girl for inside Mayo Bewa local government area, and their name now Hassan Nasser, 25 years old, Wazere Dan, 25 years old, and Yahaya Edwards, 26 years old. The National Assembly Election Petition Tribunal Court waiting for inside Asaba Delta State don't come declare Ndode Elumelu of People Democratic Party as the winner of the 2023 House of Representative election for inside Anyocha Oshimili Federal Constituency. Former governor of Edo State will be Adamo Shomole don't come dey beg Nigeria as they say they get more patient with President Bola Ahmed Tinubu government. He say because in the work to make sure things go solve the Nigerian problem. I think on yan say because President Bola Ahmed Tinubu not be magician and he had this talk on Top Channel Television yesterday, July 24th, 2023. Some professional hunters they don't come leave their work to enter inside bush go dey hunt animals as they come enter inside town. Come they catch innocent Nigerian youth them. They use scissors. They cut their hair for inside Mobi Town on Sunday, July 23rd, 2023 for Adamawa State. Plenty people that don't come they happy they jubilate for inside Igbo Gene community Yanogwa Bayelsa State. After we call over police rescue 2 children there with some child traffickers them kidnap Congo sell them take give their buyers there for 1.6 million naira. And they suspect their name na Choma Obi. Sunday Anele will be tenant with the small children, their parents them, and they stay for inside the same compound. They just park in under 2 months where they come kidnap these 2 children them for inside Bayelsa, and they call about rescue the children them from Enugu State and Abia State. For on top this video where they see some Nigerian policemen they use their motor, they pursue another man where they drive in own motor, but we not really know what he caused this biggie, and this biggie happened for inside Kano State on Sunday, July 28, 2023. What did you do? Hurry, Alex! Some Muslim northern youth they don't gather themselves as they come bring out the Ogbonge Nigerian musician will be Davido banner come dey burn on fire for inside Meduguri, and this begin start after when Davido go post one of his artist video where some people they dress like Muslim them where they pray. Now so the Muslim they will say they dey for not come they provoke. Say make Davido delete the video and make him come out come apologize give them. The Muslim right concern Muriki don't come call the DSS say make they invite the Ogbonge Nigerian artist will be David Adeleke aka Davido, and also an artist will be Olamileko Taiwo aka Lagos Olori. Say me they invite them come for some questioning because of the musical video where they produce come post am on social media. Say because that video fit cause ogbonge wahala for inside Nigeria. Today on Tuesday, July 25, 2023, the suspended Central Bank of Nigeria governor will be Godwin Emefiele DSS don't finally carry and go federal high court where they for inside Lagos State and simply did not guilty to the 2 count charges of illegal possession of gun as court can grant and bail for 20 million naira. But after they finish the court case, now so the Nigeria Correctional Service where the prisoners warders and DSS they come they drag, they fight who go carry Godwin Emefiele take go to their office.
Emefiele has had his day in court. He was arraigned today, this morning, and he has been granted bail graciously by his lordship. They arraigned him on a 2 count charge, very ridiculous charge, bordering on illegal possession of firearm. Gentlemen of the press, if you know the firearm that we are talking about, it is the kind of gun that the likes of Christopher Columbus and Mongo Park used during their days.
For on top this video, we say one Nigerian lady come dey cry say because they don't tiftalize some of her property for inside Nigeria airport when he landed for Nigeria when he just come back from Egypt. As she come scatter all her clothes, they find those properties there, but she not see them at all.
Ní Nigeria airport wọ́n ṣe mí ní ṣégi ẹrù mi ò pé o. Gbogbo àwọn nǹkan mi ni wọ́n ti kó o. Wọ́n gbé jewelry sí mi o. Wọ́n gbé box jewelry sí mi. Wọ́n kó fóònù méjì.
The Ogbonge Nigerian actress Emefiele Badmus on top this video with Daddy Freeze come dey yarn say the lady wey be Ego wey do one video come dey spoil her name. Say when the lady drop the video or post am on top her social media, say she can't chat the lady. They tell her say I don't know you before, why you dey spoil my name? Say na so Ego reply am say make she shut up her mouth. As she can't talk, say she must carry Ego take go court to go show herself.
The girl said so many things. I think it's just only one video they have on social media. Do you know that the first day that girl dropped that video, I sent her a DM. I said, Madam, I don't know you. Why are you calling me out this much? The girl actually replied me that I should shut up. I'm like, really? Okay.
Plenty Nigerians don't they provoke after when they watch this video of one of the happy boys them. They challenge the OPM pastor will be Chibuzo Chinyere. Say they're not born away to carry the comeback Nigeria from Cyprus. We say insane they go to go school. As Nigerians they come the yarn. Say no, but everybody wait for now good to help.
OPM say he don't pay na flight when they come Nigeria.
See, they don't buy you up here. Come on, buddy.
He don't fly for airport.
Up here. Come on, buddy. You don't joke.
30-year-old county chief officer one named Rahab Karisa don come Kpufpai and our house help na in Chuka take Kpufpai for inside her house wey dey for Narari Khalif County inside Kenya on Thursday morning, July 20th, 2023. Say because of the small gbege wey she get with the house help. The former Big Brother Naija housemate wey her name be Tasha don come dey yarn say Big Brother want to make she appear for inside the All-Star season. Say they suppose pay her say because she not fit water her level of her branding take give Nigerians a better show, and she hand this talk on top Cool FM radio station.
It's all about business. If you are going to pay me, then yes, we would do it. But if you're not going to pay me, I'm not going to water down my brand to give Nigerians a show because come on now, it's big T. Like, we know nobody can do it like me.
Now Bishop News O'Clock. My name is Nanehi. Make una enjoy your day.